Hello friends, today I am providing information through this video on how to solve the no display light issue in this Colors CL101 Lite phone. As you can see, there are graphics on the display but the light is not working. When I checked with a multimeter, the second line did not show any value. I am going to try to fix this using a sample look. When I check the LED diode with both probes, the light comes on. The second pin of the display is the positive one, so I connected a jumper wire from the red probe anode side of the light LED diode to that second pin. I have now turned the set on, and as you can see, the light is back on the display. Thank you for watching my video. Done.